This year of Tefillah, we finished the Tachanun almost. We are toward the end of the Tachanun when we talk to Hakadosh Baruch Hu and we say, Anna Melech HaMechanun. Say at the end of the Tachanun that we say on Monday and Thursday, we say, please, Melech HaMechanun, the King of compassionate and gracious. Please remember and look on the Brit covenant that you made with Abraham and Abi Talib between the pieces. That Hakadosh Baruch Hu promised Abraham that I will watch your zera, your generation, and I will make them grow. And should be appeal to you, Agedat Yitzchak, the Agedah of Yitzchak, Yachid Yitzchak, because of Yisrael Rabbeinu, don't leave us and don't forsake us, our King, don't forget us, our murder, and you don't destroy us, because you are Chanukah. What does it mean? It's not if somebody goes to a judge and tells that I have a grandfather like Sadi, but you did the sin. What does it mean? That because of grandfather is Sadi, who should save you? It doesn't make sense. But what are we saying? Abraham said, Yaakov, please save us. And it's very important when we say we have to mechaben, have kavanah, for whatever that we are saying. Farshim said, we say, see Hakadosh Baruch Hu, we are the children of Abraham, that he had such a love for you. We are the children of Yitzchak, that the gevurah, the might that he had to be over you. We are the children of Yaakov Avinu, the emet that he had. And when we say these things, we promote these ideas in ourselves. We remind ourselves that we are children of such a stature. We want to follow them. We want to be like them. And we want to serve you like that. The only thing is that Yetzer Hara doesn't let us. We want to be the children of Abraham that was Moshe Nevesh Hakadosh Baruch Hu. We want to be like Yitzchak, to have might against Yetzer Hara. We want to be like Yaakov, Ish Emet, Ish Torah, to keep the Torah and mitzvot. But the exile, the galut, the Yetzer Hara, the pressure of life, the things in life doesn't let us. For saying that, a person has a different judgment. Baruch Hu looks at him differently. And Taka, when a person expresses himself, very inner part of himself, he would be in touch with that inner part of himself. That's really on my inner, very inner part, wants to be part of followers of Abraham. That's my great-grandfather, Yitzchak, my grandfather, Yaakov. I want to be with them. I want to have their legacy in my life. Therefore, have mercy upon me. Like the Persian Jews says, don't look at me that I'm dark. The darkness is not because I'm born, because of the Shemesh, because of the Galut, the exile that I am. And I'm not at home, I'm out in the sun, I'm feeling Galut. The sun made me dark. The children of my mother enticed me. And they made me to watch other 1 year, and I forgot my own 1 year. That's the position that we say at the Here also, we are saying that you have such a grandfather, then we have to be promoted when we say that. That's the Kavanah Pam. And we are asking our Baruch, begging him, because of our fathers, because really we want to follow their ways in our life.